everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm gonna be making a simple breakfast. Land O'Lakes butter, mushrooms. These are white mushrooms. They come in a little can. Okay. I will be adding sausage. These are the Bourbon sausage, okay? Look how it looks. Okay? Bourbon barbecue, okay? So I'm just gonna take it out with my fingers because they come tight. Okay. I have my best friend next to me, Mr. Bentley, my dog. He loves the smell of these sausage. They are really good. Some people, I'm surprised, some people don't know about this flavored sausage. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. It's not a strong flavor. I really like it a lot. I recommend it. So from the juice that's inside, I'm gonna pour, okay, like this. You don't have to use the whole can. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna save this 3 sausages to make a rice later on, okay? So I'm gonna turn the heat up. This is the product that I'm utilizing. It's a fat-free, cholesterol-free. This is a simple breakfast. Okay. Now, I'm gonna use flaxseed. This is organic flaxseed. You can find it at the spice section. This is the Badia brand. It's really good. Don't be afraid of flaxseed. It is good for your heart, okay? So, I'm gonna put away my white mushrooms, my butter, okay. Sorry, that's the noise of the fridge. I'm gonna get this out of the way. So tell me, my beautiful people, how was your day yesterday? This morning here is very cold. It's on the 40s. Well, I say very cold because in Florida, we're not used to the weather so cold, but it's a beautiful morning. Okay, so I have my plate ready. You can always add milk. It's gonna help moisten more the egg. You see that you can barely see the flaxseed? I'm gonna put it up a little bit more. Okay, at this point what I'm gonna do, you know that this is my favorite. This is garlic powder from Badia brand. You can also get it at the spice section. So let's put garlic powder, the amount that you like. So this is basically done. I'm just gonna set it on the side, okay? Meanwhile, I'm gonna be heating my flour tortilla. It's a sweet Hawaiian flour tortilla. It's a new product. So I'll be heating my tortilla. I'm doing it in the same cookware, in the same skillet, because it's not a big breakfast, okay? It's just a small, simple breakfast. These are 2 pieces of uncured chorizo. This product has no nitrates, or nitrates, however you say it. Anyways, it's a very good product. Says raised without antibiotics, all natural pork. This product is really good, okay? I recommend it, as well as this one too. I recommend it. So now I'm gonna be flipping my tortilla. I'm gonna put my chorizo away and my tortilla. Okay. This morning I will be, let me put this way, drinking Coca-Cola. Not too much, my people. not too much Coca-Cola, but at least I can't believe how expensive. This was almost $3, my people, when before I remember it used to be $1. Now it's almost $3 of Coca-Cola 2 liter. It's, oh my goodness, unbelievable. Unbelievable how things are getting so expensive. But we all have to hang in there, be brave, heads up, and continue on, right? So I'm gonna put this taco blend. This, I got it at Walmart. It's a Great Value brand. It's finely shredded cheddar, Monterey Jack cheese, and taco seasoning. It is really good, my people. You can put it on pizzas, on lasagna, on your favorite pasta, on your favorite breakfast. There's tons of things you can use this taco blend. And the seasoning is very light, okay? So now I'm gonna put my 2 little pieces of chorizo right there on my taco. I'm gonna close my taco, okay? I'm gonna press down My eggs, I like them super cooked. I mean, I don't mind if they're overcooked. It's fine with me. I do not like raw eggs, or however you call it. Things change because back then I used to eat an over easy egg, but not now. Now I really want the eggs super cooked. Okay. So now I'm gonna flip my tortillita. I'm gonna put the heat up. I'm gonna drink my Coca-Cola. So cheers, my people. I hope this morning is a blessed morning for you. Always remember, if it's too cold, look out through the window, look at the colors in the sky. Thank the Lord that you woke up alive and that God is amazing. It's amazing, and that we have to appreciate everything that He gives us. Okay? So I'm gonna flip it one more time, and this is ready. Okay? Ready to serve. So here I have my scramble with my bourbon barbecue sausage, white mushrooms, canned white mushrooms. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay. And I'm gonna be placing my taquito on this side. That's it. That's it, my beautiful people. A simple breakfast with sausage and white mushrooms. I hope you have a blessed day. I thank the Lord for this breakfast, and I thank the Lord for everything that He gives me. And I pray that my family is okay. Many blessings to my family and my friends and my neighbors and everybody that loves me. Take care. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in a next video pretty soon, okay? Many blessings. Take care. Bye.